Stop losing sales to "do you ship here?" or "is your service available in my area?" doubts. Zipcode Checker and Validator app shows the answer instantly. It lets shoppers join a waitlist if you don't serve them yet, and even lets them ask a quick question. Shoppers type their zip code, hit enter, and see right away whether your product or service reaches them and in how much time. Confidence goes up, cart abandonment goes down. Works everywhere on your website. Product pages, category pages, service listings and bookings, even any custom URL in your site. Let's understand the features. Delivery and service availability checker. Real-time availability for any zip code, local or global. Smart waitlist. Collect emails from zips you don't cover yet. Auto-notify when you expand. Ask a question. Shoppers can ping you before they buy, boosting trust. One-click setup. Upload a CSV file or manually enter zip codes. No coding required. Customizable widgets. Customizable widgets allow you to personalize their appearance to perfectly match your website's theme. Flexible plans for every stage, including a free plan, plus call and email support from real humans whenever you need it. Stop losing orders over a zip code. Add Zipcode Checker and Validator from the Wix app market. Install now and keep customers clicking "Buy now."